So you have data, but you don't know what to do with it. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to use AI to make sense out of that data that you have. We're going to head on over to app.schoolpsych.ai, and I'm going to show you a really cool way that you can start making sense out of all of that data that you have. So I'm over at app.schoolpsych.ai. You can go ahead and create you a free account, create a free trial if you have a 7-day free trial, or if you have access to the platform, you'll be able to access the tools. Once you click on tools, you're going to scroll all the way down. And once you get to the bottom, you're going to see this tool called the Data Analyzer tool. You're simply going to click that button. And now there's several ways that you can actually start to visualize your data. You can upload a document. Here's a very important thing to know. We'll redact all of if there's any PII, make sure that you redact it on your own. If you don't, we're going to redact it on our own to ensure we're protecting PII. Or you could go ahead and just paste information in. For this purpose of this video, I have some office discipline referral data, and I'm just going to paste it in. And I took this directly from a Google Sheet. And because we're dealing with large language models, the data doesn't have to be formatted perfectly because it knows that it's going to pull directly from language. And so it's pulling all of the text. The next thing that we do, we're going to select how do we want the data to be visualized. And I'm going to go ahead and select this line graph. And then you can fill out the x-axis labels to capture, the y-axis labels to capture, and it could be whatever you want. And go ahead and click that button that says Analyze. You can see it's parsing and removing the data. It's creating that data table. And right there in seconds, it gives you a beautiful visual that you could then go download as an image, or you could also export as a CSV file. It's important to note this is in beta. So if you click download PNG, it's not quite ready yet, but give us a few weeks, it will be ready. You can download that image and paste wherever you like. Now, let's say that you want to have a different data visual. You can go select, let's do bar, and click Analyze. Same process is going to parse out that data and create a table. You can hover over and you can see a beautiful visual for you right there. You can download PNG when it's ready, download as a CSV file, export and save wherever you like. Let's do one more just for demonstrative purposes. Let's say I'm on the table. You click table, click the Analyze button. And again, it's parsing and removing that data. Going to create a table. And then just like that, you have a table. You can copy it, then paste wherever you like. The sky's the limit on what you can do. I encourage you to be an explorer. Head on over to app.schoolpsych.ai and give it a try.